Class 7. Today we are going to read Moral Science Chapter 8 Discipline. Obedience to rules gives you personal discipline. There are written rules as well as unwritten rules. The aim of all these rules is to make life easy, orderly and pleasant. If people start breaking rules, life will be confusing and unruly. The golden rule is that all rules must be obeyed. तो obedience क्या है? Personal discipline है और कुछ written और unwritten rules होते हैं. अगर rules नहीं होते हैं तो सभी रूल्स को ब्रेक करेंगे, सभी कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे और अनरूली बन जाएंगे अगर कोई पर्टिकुलर रूल्स ना हो तो. Once when Gandhiji was in prison, his wife Kasturba went to visit him. They greeted each other in the presence of the prison official. The official moved away tactfully to give them an opportunity to talk freely. Half an hour passed and then he returned. He asked Gandhiji, "You have finished your conversation now?" Gandhiji said, "Not a word has passed between us since you left. The prison rule is that no prisoner can talk with his visitors in the presence of an official. We have obeyed this rule. We have kept quiet." तो गांधी जी के एक बार गांधी जी जेल में था तो उसके वाइफ कस्तूरबा आए थे उससे मिलने के लिए. तो जो प्रिजन ऑफिसर थे उसके सामने वो लोग बातचीत किए, लेकिन प्रिजन ऑफिसर जानबूझ के थोड़ा निकल गए कि ताकि उन लोग अकेले में बात कर सके. लेकिन वो चले जाने के बाद कोई भी बातचीत नहीं हुई उन दोनों के बीच में. जब वो लौटे तो पूछे कि शायद आप लोगों का बातचीत हो गए होंगे, तो वो बोले कि ये रूल के बाहर है, इसीलिए हम लोग कोई भी बातें नहीं किए हैं. Gandhiji was a strict disciplinarian. He said, "Be the master of your mind and body and not its slave. Train yourself to behave well. Control all your bad desires. We need to drive away from our system all such vices, laziness, anger, envy, selfishness, greed, pride and falsehood. This make us hate our enemies." तो गांधी जी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिनर थे और वो बोलते थे कि माइंड को हमेशा अपने कंट्रोल में रखो, वो कभी तुमको कंट्रोल ना करे. You must have visited to a circus. How awe-inspiring are the balancing and swinging acts of the circus troupe. They show you to what amazing extent the human body and mind can be trained and disciplined. What you see in few hours has taken the performance many years of hard and dangerous practice. तो बोल रहे कि सर्कस में जो लोग काम करते हैं हम लोग तो सिर्फ देखने के लिए जाते हैं, लेकिन उस टाइम पे वो लोग जैसे सर्विस देते हैं, जैसे जो कुछ भी दिखाते हैं ट्रिक्स, वो उन लोगों का बहुत दिन से वो लोग प्रैक्टिस किए होंगे, उसके बाद ही वो ये सब कर पा रहे हैं. You too must set yourself higher goals and relentlessly pursue them by hard work, dedication, and strict discipline. Do not be impatient to achieve quick results because this led you to become unkind, proud, and cruel. A well-disciplined person is systematic and methodical. He plans his activities well and discharges them properly. तो एक वेल डिसिप्लिन पर्सन हमेशा सिस्टमैटिक वे में ही काम करते हैं और प्लान करते हैं कि क्या करेंगे इसके बाद. जैसा Hafez was a famous violinist. One day he was late for performance. He came rushing to the elevator carrying his violin in his case. He was disturbed because he was in danger of being late for a radio concert. तो जैसा Hafez एक वायलिनिस्ट थे, अचानक उसका एक परफॉर्मेंस था, लेकिन वो परफॉर्मेंस के बाद उसका थोड़ा लेट हो गया, तो भाग के वो एलिवेटर के पास आए क्योंकि उसको तुरंत जाना है रेडियो कंसर्ट पे. The elevator conductor confronted him saying, "You will have to go in the freight elevator with that violin." तो बोले कि आपको फ्रेट एलिवेटर में जाना है वायलिन के साथ, क्योंकि वायलिन हेवी है, वो नॉर्मल एलिवेटर में नहीं जा सकते. "I have no time for that. I am in hurry. I don't care," said the operator. ऑपरेटर बोले वो हमको मालूम नहीं है. Look, Hafez was excited. "I am जैसा Hafez. I don't care if you are Rubinov. You have got to ride in the freight elevator." तो वो अपने डिसिप्लिन में एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट है कि जो मेंटेन करना है वो मेंटेन करना ही है. Such was the strict discipline followed by the operator. It shows the character your posture has bearing on people you come in contact with, and if you go for an interview, the employer will take note of your bearing, the gesture of the hand or the arm, the involuntary changes in the features of your face, mouth, eyelids, the carriage of the head, the shoulder, the swing, and the manner of your talk, the footfall, the footprint. All this reveal what you truly are in reality. तो जब कोई इंटरव्यू देने के लिए जाओगे तो तुम्हारे जेस्चर, पोस्चर सब कुछ वो लोग देखेंगे कि कैसे हाथ रख रहे हो, कैसे आईज घुमा रहे हो, कैसे बात कर रहे हो, कैसे सर हिला रहे हो, सब कुछ. You may be an ordinary person, but if you are well disciplined, you will have much to offer others. General Grant, pacing up and down on the dock of the city port, puffed ever puffed his ever-present cigar in violation of the rules of no smoking. A black sentry on duty told him about the rules of not smoking there. तो वहाँ पे एक ब्लैक सेंट्री था, वो बोले कि इधर तो स्मोकिंग करना अलाउड नहीं है. Are these your orders? The general asked. तो जनरल बोले ये क्या ऑर्डर है? Yes sir. The sentry was courteous but firm in his answer. They are very good orders, sir, said Grant. As he threw the cigar into the water, तो तुरंत सिगर को वाटर में फेंक दिया. Self discipline is the best discipline. Thank you. This is the end of your chapter, and whatever question I am going to give you means the MCQ question, you must write down in your moral science copy. Thank you.